on YouTube, Grandma More here, and I'm actually on my way to my second actually, social media marketing client. I actually scheduled a meeting with them. It's a car dealer and a body shop. Super excited, can't wait to see how this turns out. All of this, it is possible, you just gotta put in the work and the effort. You see, about this time last year, I had another social media marketing client that I stepped into, but I never really finished the deal. They were so busy on, we'll push the meeting back, and then I had their meeting, and they were unsure whether they really wanted to spend the money for it. And I, went off to college and never really touched basic with them again. And then once I came back from college, I really wanted to get the social media marketing done, up and running. So what I did was, all summer long, I called business. I called and called and called, sent emails, looked up different strategies and pitched to potential clients. It's a lot of hard work, and you're going to get a lot of no's. That's inevitable. Is you're going to get a lot of no's. You just gotta brush it off and keep moving forward, because eventually you will get that yes. One yes is life changing, because social media marketing, it can range from $1,000 to about $10,000 a month. Imagine $1,000 more a month. How would you use that? What I'm going to use it for is that I'm going to use that money to scale up this business, and so I'm making $10,000 a month. It's really exciting to see the actual progress being made, because it's hard getting the no's and we're not interested and all that. But once you get that yes, it gives you that drive to do more, until you're at the point where you're making upwards of $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 a month. That can really replace your income. And that's basically all I really wanted to say right now until I'm done with the meeting. I'll see you guys probably after the meeting, because I don't have a little stand to hold the phone up right now, so I can't really hold this phone and drive. So see you guys after the meeting. Welcome to Baltimore, everyone. Hey guys, finally made it to the place. I'm about to step into the business right now and pitch to the client. I'm gonna see if I can try to record. If not, then I guess I'll see you guys afterwards. Wish me luck. What's up, guys? Back from my meeting, and the meeting went amazing. Talked to the assistant manager, talked to the business owner, and it seemed like the assistant manager really wants to push through with social media marketing. He told me that he was at a place where they're spending $20,000 a month for social media marketing, and of course they're selling hundreds of cars per month. So that's the mindset he has, is to spend about $20,000 a month for social media marketing. With social media marketing or advertising in general, you will make that money back. So the money you put out, you will make 2 times, 3 times, 10 times the amount of money you put out. They may start with my lowest price range, which is a $597 a month deal, and work their way up if they see positive results. They say they'll give me a call within a week to let me know where they stand and what they're going to do. Something also that you need to understand when selling to these businesses is you need to give them a sense of urgency and scarcity. I told them that they wanted to go through with it, they have to get on quick, because of course, as a social media marketer, I can't handle more than 5 customers at a time. One more thing I forgot to forget. The assistant manager, the one that has spent $20,000 a month on social media marketing before, he said he was interested in me doing it for personal brand for him, because he said he's an actor and he wanted to grow his social media. So if the content doesn't work out, I have him to fall back on, and he knows the value of social media marketing. He's just too busy to deal with it, and that's the whole deal. That's the whole point of a social media marketer, because the client is too busy. So hopefully I get that, and it would be really great if I got both of them. I got this personal number so I can contact the business owner at any time. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the bell notification to also get updates when I upload a video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.